Hey everyone, and welcome back to a new unboxing video. Today I have something really special. I have the Z Fold 3. I'm really excited to unbox this phone and switch over to it. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. Alright, so here we have the box. Let's go ahead and get these tabs cut through real quick. Alright. Let's lift it up and get the phone out. It's a tight fit. Oh my god, this is so scuffed. Alright, there we go. Here is the Z Fold 3. Let's, got the 512 gig model in a Phantom Black. So here's the phone. Really awesome phone. I'm gonna set this aside for a second. See what else we got in the box. Alright, quick start guide and our charge cable, and that is it. So let's go ahead and power this phone on. Power button is also a fingerprint sensor. There we go. I'll zoom in here. We're gonna go ahead and set this up, and once it is set up and I have my old phone transferred to it, I will continue my review. Alright, now we're just copying data, so let's go ahead and copy our data, and then we'll be good to go. Alright, so for some reason my mic on my camera died here and I didn't know, but essentially what I'm doing right now is just scanning my fingerprint to unlock my phone, and it was really seamless. Surprisingly accurate fingerprint sensor, considering that it's a lot smaller surface area than something like an under display fingerprint sensor on like an S20 Ultra. But I was pleasantly surprised how quick and responsive this sensor is, and you know, it worked really well. So yeah, really seamless setup, and now I will get back to the video. One other thing I forgot is right here there is a front-facing camera, and you can't see it, but if I open up the camera app, you can kind of see it. But if I switch to the front-facing camera, it appears, and now you can see the camera, and then it disappears again. So yeah, it's really cool, and you know, you can do everything on this thing. It's amazing. I really think this is the coolest phone I've ever held. It's actually it feels really premium too.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so I have the D brand wrap on it now. Red and black carbon fiber. Looks really nice. And yeah, this phone so far is really awesome. I realized too, if you want to take a front facing selfie, you can click this button here and it will show viewfinder on the back, which is pretty cool. If you start it up from the front screen, you get options to do a wider view selfie. So now if I do that, it is full screen, which is really cool. So you can use these three cameras here. You can switch between them. And yeah, overall, this phone is really cool. I'm definitely going to be daily driving this. I switched from my S20 Ultra, and yeah, really awesome phone. I'm gonna be using this. I'll probably keep you guys updated on my Twitter. You can follow it here at this link. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and consider subscribing, and I will see you in the next one.